Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to make tomato sauce, organic tomato sauce. I picked all my tomatoes from this little garden, the backyard. A garden that was not even taken care of properly. But anyway, so it yielded a lot of fruits. Ang dami-dami niyang fruits, which so we almost picked every day, and then I even bring some to work. And so yeah, there's a lot of it. So we figured, I know it's maybe the last harvest for this year. So ang dami niya talaga. So I sort of planned to make tomato sauce out of it. So for this recipe, it's like one of the simple one. So we just need the 4 cups of tomatoes, half a cup of onions, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of basil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. So that one, yeah, I saved that so I can bring it to work. And we set up the stove at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will let it boil for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until all of the tomatoes are soft and easy to crush and easy to strain. So here I sauteed the onions with olive oil, and then when it's like about golden brown, I will just add it to the boiled tomatoes, and then I will all strain them together after. So this is pretty much what's left of the sauce, and I just boiled it until it's thick, and then this is our final product. Thank you guys for watching.